Hello everyone, I'm Tom Barron from Proximity Learning and this is Canvas in a Minute. We're still going strong with the grades. There's a lot of features in Gradebook. So we're on our home page of any course you have. Go ahead and click on grades to the left. Okay, so we've already showed you, how to get your filters set up. You've got an automatic late work policy in. That's why you have some zeros and you want to grade an assignment now. So you're going to need to hover over the title of the assignment. It'll come up blue like that. I like to open it in a new tab. And then this is going to be moving here. So you could move the order of these assignments if you want to. I don't like to do that, so you can just click back to where it was before and we'll go to that new tab. So here we've got our assignment. This is a discussion, so it looks a little different. Usually you'll have a bar here to the right and there'll be an option for SpeedGrader. Again, if it's a discussion that's going to look different, you can click on the three dots and hit SpeedGrader right here, but we want to enter SpeedGrader. Where in SpeedGrader, this is where you're going to actually grade your assignment. So I see some of them have already graded because those are the automatic zeros put in. This is 1 of 25 students. You can see the student name up here. I have that blocked out for their privacy again. Here's their answer. This is their grade. Comment section, you can put in a comment. For this assignment, it was as long as they put in a relevant response, they'll get full credit. So I'll put 3 points in here. And you see the status changes to a check now. So now that student's been graded. There's 7 out of 25. If I needed to write a comment, I could put it there. Now you just click this arrow to go to the next student. So here's a student that turned it in. They turned it in late. Don't worry about deducting points. You already have that set up. This looks like a good answer too. So I'll put in a 3 here. Again, that'll check there. And notice the late penalty is already in effect. So they got a little bit of points off because it was late. And that one's graded too. So that's how you do SpeedGrader. You can go through all of those. You can add a comment here. If you need to add an audio file, a video, a clip, an attachment, you can do that as well. All right, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.